Healthcare AI is moving quite fast, but trust is quite fragile, right? This playbook explains how hospitals, for instance, or healthcare system in general, can safely deploy high-stakes AI by combining governance, regulation, and clinical innovation. So the AI and governance, or in terms of healthcare AI, must balance three forces: innovation, safety, and fairness, right? Move too fast and patients may be harmed, and move too slow and innovation stops. Governance is what stabilizes this balance. Today, responsibility is often unclear. Developers build a model, clinicians use it, but no one truly owns it, right? We must shift to assured governance, where one accountable owner oversees AI decisions and risks. Strong AI oversight rests on four pillars: strategy, safety, data regulation, and resilience. If one pillar fails, the whole system becomes unsafe. AI healthcare regulation is evolving globally. The FDA focuses on continuous monitoring and updates, while the EU AI Act enforces stricter risk-based regulation and stronger penalties, right? Instead of building separate compliance systems, organizations should design for the strictest standard first. So, like the EU AI Act, for instance, if you meet that bar, you usually satisfy other regulators, right? Too. So to avoid confusion, a one person must ultimately own AI and accountability. This role connects engineering, operations, legal, and clinical teams and ensures decisions are coordinated. So when hospitals use external AI models, there's quite a lot out there, accountability must be shared. Our developers own model performance while hospitals own clinical use and patient outcomes. So in terms of human in the loop, human oversight is not just clicking approve, right? It means carefully designing when and how clinicians intervene so that automation bias does not lead to blind trust in AI. So not all AI requires the same supervision. Low risk systems may run autonomously, right? Moderate systems require monitoring, and high risk ones, clinical decisions, must involve direct human control, right? As we call it, human in the loop. So effective governance operates across these three loops, for instance. Have a look at these three loops here: daily operations, safety oversight, and long term improvement. So, together, they ensure both immediate safety and continuous learning. And governance connects board accountability and clinical workflows and real world feedback into a continuous loop that enables safe and scalable AI innovation. So organizations can move from, say, ad hoc AI to structured governance in, say, 90 days, or depending on how you want to define it, like 2 months, 3 months. First, audit the system, then appoint accountability leadership, and finally deploy oversight architecture. So governance or AI systems evolve, right? We know that constantly. Governance ensures organizations remember lessons, monitor risk, and maintain trust while continuing to innovate. How would you do that? This gap between AI capability and governance is really growing, right? So institutions that build governance early will deploy AI faster, safer, and with greater trust. Do you agree?